Hey, let me show you how you can take this kind of the macro photos on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So first of all, before you start, just make sure that you enable the macro mode in the settings. So to do that, open the camera. When you are here, just go below and you have to enable that macro control. There we go. Now you will have to just open your photo mode, and when you go close into any object, you should get this icon over here in the left upper corner. Make sure that you turn it on, because when it's unselected, you will don't have this great extension with ultra wide angle. Now click on the left upper corner to also enable the 48 megapixel mode, so you will get even more details. And what is really important, try to get the best lighting condition. So now hold your phone steady and you can zoom in while using that mode. So you will even get more details. You can zoom in up to 4 times and take a look how good it works right now. Hold your phone steady while taking the photo and take on the shutter. You can also click on the screen to catch focus on the specific thing that you want to capture, like in my case. There we go. But of course the 2x will give you the best quality, so consider to use it. And as I said before, hold your phone steady. Now when you go for this photo, as you can see, we can find crazy amount of the details, and we can still zoom in and get sharp definition on everything. So for example, take a look how many pieces of the dust I can find on this cup. And that's how we can actually do this. I hope you find it useful, and thanks for watching this video.